This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shirley Wang. Welcome to this beautifully updated townhouse in Colonial Crossing. Enjoy a spacious and flexible open floor plan that allows for seamless living and entertaining. The eat-in kitchen, featuring plenty of cabinet space, a pantry, and all the room you need for your culinary adventures. Recent improvement including new laminate flooring, new carpet, fresh paint, and new blinds throughout. The backyard storage shed offers you additional storage space. Take full advantage of an array of community amenities, including a pool, clubhouse, well-equipped gym, playground, and a dog park. You are just minutes away from the back gate to FD. Eustis, easy access to interstates, close to Langley AFB, local restaurants and shopping. Your ideal home is right here. Call for your private showing today. For more information, review the details below.